Julia Barreto.
Something like that, something to that extent. How do you feel na Just Julia is the talk of the town?
Talaga ba?
Oo.
How do I feel? Nakaka-pressure. Kasi what if hindi maabot yung expectations or baka ma-disappoint sila kasi akala nila mas grand yung makikita nila. But more than that, I am glad because that's yung talaga ini-aim namin, that was our goal, is to hype it up talaga na maggumawa ng ingay. And so far, my name's not Julia. My name's officially Just Julia.
Just Julia.
Oo, wala na tumatawag sa akin ng Julia.
Who thought of the concept?
Special projects. G3.
G3,
Very
yeah,
smart
of
G3.
course, G3.
Yes.
And kamusta ang preparation so far? Of course, gusto namin malaman kung kasado na ang lahat. The party, is it okay?
On Tuesday.
It's on Tuesday na, but the party will be aired on TV.
March
29.
Matagal pa.
Are you ready for that big event?
Super ready na. We're all ready. We're just waiting until we can start setting up. Pero ako, emotionally, mentally, physically, everything not ready. Parang not ready. I'm ready, pero hindi ako ready.
At the same time,
expect. I'm so scared. I'm so excited. I'm so
mixed emotions.
sobrang mixed.